one.
All right. This is Salisbury Auto Salvage here in West Virginia. We have a left seat back out of a 2010 and newer Chevy truck with the 8-way power seat. And we're going to show you how to change the hinging system on this. It's different in the 10 and newers than the 9 and olders. So you take what we did is this thing is burred from the factory on the outside of this. So we ground the burr off of it where we can get this off of it. And then we're going to take the bolts out and get the other side out. And we're going to bring the motor off. Now on these motors right here, unlike the older models, it's got a bolt right here. This is a bolt that holds it in place. The older models had 2 bolts that went in from the sides here. But the newer models have just 1 bolt that goes in the back of the seat. Okay, and then you bring everything off, and you got a little position sensor over here. It has to come off. Okay, what it is, these things are burred from the factory on the outsides. We ground these burrs here off on this one side where we can move everything in and out, and then we made our own burr here on the inside of this to where we could go back together with. I'm going to leave the little position sensor off of it, and I'm going to put it back together here real quick while you're watching. And just a kind of a stick together. I can't do that. I'm messing up here already because I have to slide this motor on before I do that. Get it on there. Okay. Give me a bolt in it here. And we slide your other end on. And you bolt everything together and you have your seat hinges are on there. Alright, that's how it's done.